Good evening, everyone. I'm from Group 1. I'm nurse and present progressive tense. And my team is Revika Octaviani and me. The contents are, are about conversation, nurse duties, nursing vocabulary, reading, exercise, and present progressive tense. Nurse. Nurse comes from the Latin word nutrix, which means caring or nurturing. The nurse is a person who plays a role in caring for or nurturing, assisting, and protecting someone due to illness, injury, and perisis of aging. Terjemahannya, perawat berasal dari kata Latin dari kata nutrix yang berarti peduli atau mengasuh. Perawat adalah orang yang berperan dalam merawat atau membantu dan melindungi seseorang karena sakit, cedera, dan gejala penuaan. And conversation. Please help me, Miss Nanda.
Yes.
Good morning. How are you feeling now?
Good morning. I'm feeling better than before.
That's really great. You look healthy.
I want to tell you that I love being nurse.
Why are you happy to be nurse?
I can help other people from the illness to get better and they say thank you to me.
I'm a touch relieved after hearing this. What are the duties of nurse?
Nurses play an important role in providing care from patients to help manage their physical needs, treat health conditions, and prevent illnesses.
That sounds great. You must be busy with your duty.
You are right, but I'm very happy. Anyway, when your graduation will be held?
My graduation is 5 of June. Would you like to come in my graduation?
Of course, I can. You are my best friend.
Thank you very much. I hope you always healthy.
Okay, you too. See you, Revika.
See you.
And the next is nurse duties. The first is to engage in the general scope of nursing practice, including the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and care of physically ill, mentally ill, and disabled people of all ages and in all healthcare and other community settings. And number two is to carry out healthcare teaching. Number three, participate fully as member of the healthcare team. And number four, to supervise and train nursing and healthcare auxiliaries. And number five, to be involved in research. Yang artinya tugas perawat nomor satu yaitu untuk terlibat dalam lingkup umum praktik keperawatan termasuk promosi kesehatan, pencegahan penyakit, dan perawatan orang-orang yang sakit secara fisik, mental, dan cacat dari segala usia dan dalam semua layanan kesehatan dan lingkungan komunitas lainnya. Nomor dua yaitu melaksanakan pengajaran pelayanan kesehatan, berpartisipasi penuh sebagai anggota tim pelayanan kesehatan, mengawasi dan melatih tenaga pembantu keperawatan dan kesehatan. Yang kelima yaitu untuk terlibat dalam penelitian. And this is vocabulary nursing. Hospital adalah rumah sakit, nurse perawat, and doctor is dokter, patient pasien, dentist dokter gigi, midwife bidan, dietitian ahli gizi, ophthalmologist dokter mata, ambulans ambulan, care mengurus atau merawat, mikroskop, needle jarum, outpatient pasien rawat jalan, pediatrikan dokter anak, recover pulih, surgery operasi, and surgeon ahli bedah, stetoskop, symptoms gejala, stretcher tandu, treatment pengobatan, and wheelchair kursi roda, and the last is X-ray, sinar X. And this is reading. Nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individuals of all ages, families, groups, and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and the care of ill, disabled, and dying people, advocacy, promotion of a safe environment, research participation in shaping health policy and inpatient and health systems management, and education are also key nursing roles. The unique function of nurses in caring for individuals sick or well is to assess their responses to their health status and to assist them in the performance of those activities contributing to health or recovery or to dignified death that they would perform unaided if they had the necessary strength, will, or knowledge, and to do this in such a way as to help them gain full of partial independence as rapidly as possible. Within the total healthcare environment, nurses share with other health professionals and those in other sectors of public service the functions of planning, implementation, evaluation to ensure the education of the health system for promoting health, preventing illness, and caring for ill and disabled people. Artinya yaitu keperawatan mencakup perawatan otonom kolaboratif terhadap individu dari segala usia, keluarga, kelompok, dan komunitas, sakit atau sehat, dan dalam segala situasi. Keperawatan mencakup promosi kesehatan, pencegahan penyakit, dan perawatan orang sakit, cacat, dan sekarat. Advokasi, promosi lingkungan yang aman, penelitian, partisipasi dalam membentuk kebijakan kesehatan, dan manajemen pasien dan sistem kesehatan, serta pendidikan juga merupakan peran utama perawatan. Fungsi unik perawat dalam merawat individu, baik sakit maupun sehat, adalah untuk menilai respon mereka terhadap status kesehatan mereka dan membantu mereka melakukan aktivitas yang berkontribusi terhadap kesehatan atau pemulihan atau kematian bermartabat yang akan mereka lakukan tanpa bantuan harus melakukannya. Kekuatan, kemauan, atau pengetahuan yang diperlukan dan melakukan hal ini sedemikian rupa untuk membantu mereka memperoleh kemandirian parsial secepat mungkin. Dalam lingkungan pelayanan kesehatan secara keseluruhan, perawat berbagi fungsi perencanaan, implementasi, dan evaluasi dengan profesional kesehatan lainnya, dan mereka yang berada di sektor pelayanan publik lainnya untuk memastikan kecukupan sistem kesehatan dalam meningkatkan kesehatan, mencegah penyakit, dan merawat orang sakit dan orang cacat. And the next is present progressive tense. The present progressive tense is used to describe something happened at this time. The action is in progress. it hasn't finished yet. Example, what are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? I'm reading this book. Look, Tanaka is sleeping at her desk. Saya sedang membaca buku. Lihat, Tanaka sedang tidur di mejanya. Even though it is a present tense, the present progressive tense can also be used to describe an activity that is going to happen in the future, especially for planned activities. For example, we are moving to Japan in the summer. Kita pindah ke Japan di musim panas. The train is arriving in 2 minutes. Kereta akan tiba 2 menit lagi. And the next is function of present progressive tense. The first, things that are happening now, shows something that is happening or is taking place. Number 2 is temporary event, longer action occurs, but only temporarily. And number 3, talk the action around the time of speaking. Discuss actions that occur around the time of the conversation. And number 4, a new pattern or habit. And number 5, future plans. Tell something that has been discussed or planned beforehand and will happen in the near future. Present progressive tense. Usually we use am, is, or are. Like, Tony is writing a book. Ongoing activity now. And usually present progressive tense, if subject I, we have to put am. And if the subject is you, we have to put are. And if the subject he, she, it, or singular noun, we have to put is. And if we have to put are. And you, we have to put are, or they, or plural noun, we have to put are plus verb ing. So the present progressive tense is subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. And the adverb of time is now, right now, at the moment, at present. Example, she is reading a romance novel right now. Dia sedang membaca novel romantis saat ini. And forming the present participle, the verb is ing. Part is known as a present participle. It is formed like this. Add ing to most verb, like playing, play, plus ing, playing, shout, plus ing, shouting. For verbs that end e, remove the e and add ing, like prepare, preparing, write, to be riding. For verbs that end I, change the I to y and add ing, like lie, to be lying, auntie, aunting. For the verb whose last syllable is written consonant, vowel, consonant, and is stressed double the final consonant and at ing, like running. The N is double. Forget, to be forgetting, the T is double. And the negative versions, if you need the negative version, you can use the following contraction: subject, am, is, are, plus not, plus present participle. Example, Abe is not looking for a toy. Abe tidak sedang mencari mainan. Cipung and Rafathar are not fishing in this river. Cipung dan Rafathar tidak sedang memancing di sungai ini. Remember that is not and are not are sometimes written as the contractions isn't and aren't. And the question version, if you need ask a question, you can use the following word order for yes or no questions. Am, is, or are in the first. Am, is, or are plus subject plus present participle. Like, example, is Abe looking for a toy? Apakah Abe sedang mencari mainan? And are Cipung and Rafathar fishing in this river? Apakah Cipung dan Rafathar sedang memancing di sungai ini? You can use the following word order for a question word question. Question word, am, is, or are plus subject plus present participle. Like example, why is Abe looking for a toy? When are Cipung and Rafathar fishing in the